In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Keep Notes delete data in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and can save you from losing any important information that you may have accidentally deleted. Whether it's a shopping list, a crucial reminder, or notes for your next big project, retrieving your data is a vital skill to have. Let's dive in by navigating to Google Keep. You can do this easily by opening your favorite web browser and typing in keep.google.com. Once you're on the Google Keep homepage, you'll see your existing notes laid out before you, but don't worry if your deleted note isn't here, we're just getting started. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the main menu. This is located in the top left corner of the screen and looks like 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. Clicking on this will open up a side panel with additional options for you to explore. Within this side panel, you'll see various options for note management. The one we're interested in today is the trash. Scroll down and you'll find it nestled among the other selections. The trash is where all your deleted notes end up, sort of like a safety net for any accidental deletions. Click on the trash option and you'll be taken to a new page that contains all the notes you've recently removed. It's important to note that items here aren't stored indefinitely. Google Keep holds onto these notes for 7 days, so it's crucial to check here if you suspect you deleted a note within the past week. Once you're in the trash bin, you'll be able to see a list of deleted notes. Take a moment to scroll through and find the note you're aiming to restore. Once you locate it, hover over the note and you'll notice a few icons appear. One of these icons is a small clock with an arrow circling back. This is your restore button. Click on restore and just like that your note is rescued. It will be placed back into your main notes area, exactly where it was before it was removed. This process is really as simple as it sounds, and before you know it your note is back where it belongs, ready for you to continue editing or referring to it as needed, and that's it. You've successfully retrieved a deleted note in Google Keep. Remember, acting quickly is essential since the trash only retains files for a week. Make it a habit to check this area regularly